'Cause you are never gonna take a plane anyway. Me, I can get back. A little girl grew up too fast. Only two was a side, never be the same. Now I'm taking back my life today. There's nothing left that you can say. 'Cause you are never gonna take a plane anyway. Look at me, I am present. I stand before you to say thanks to my teacher. They have taught me how to read, how to write, how to draw, and I can forget how to pray. And now I can say I'm no longer a baby. Thanks to my teachers for make me who I am today. To my mom and daddy, thanks for give me a best school and best teachers. And now I can say I'm no longer a baby. Thank you, sorry, pardon. And now I can say I'm no longer a baby. Education, education, education is important. Without education, you cannot be a nurse. A nurse take care of patients. Education, education, education is important. Without education, you cannot be a police officer. A police officer keeps everyone safe and make sure everyone follow the laws. Education, education, education is important. Without education, you cannot be an engineer, plant and construct. Education is right. Education is no age. Education is the key of life. Thank you for listening.